And here we are going to uphold the latest update of the COVID-19 in the Shijiazhuang City, and we are also going to answer your questions. Today, we invited several distinguished guests to attend the press conference. Mr. Wang Jianfeng, the Deputy Secretary of the Municipal Government of Shijiazhuang, and also Madam Yuan Lihua, Deputy Director of the Shijiazhuang City, and Mr. Lu Hui, the Directors of the CDC in Shijiazhuang City, and Madam Meng Cuizhen, Deputy Mayor of Gaocheng District. Now the floor is given to Mr. Wang Jianfeng, Deputy Secretary of the Standing Committee of the Municipal Government, to answer your questions. Dear friends from the media, good evening. I'm really sorry to invite all of you to be here at this cold winter. And I'm going to inform you the latest update of the COVID-19 pandemic. Between January the 2nd to January the 4th, the cumulative reported case of COVID-19 in Shijiazhuang City has reached 14 cases, and we have also reported 49 asymptomatic cases. There is no single severe or critical cases, and no death toll has been reported. By the 4th of January, Shijiazhuang Municipal Government has reported 11 confirmed cases, while 2 of them is asymptomatic cases turned into the mild cases. I believe the news has reported the exact number correctly. After the outbreak of the COVID-19, my city and also my municipal government has formed an emergency treatment plans, and also the mayor has become the head of this emergency team to tackle against this outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Under the strong leadership of the provincial government, we have initiated the emergency plans, and we have also tried our best to finish the PCR testing across the city. We are going to limit the outbreak of COVID-19 in the smallest scale. By the 4th of January, we have finished PCR testing covering 52,724 people. First, we are also going to scientifically evaluate the situation, and we are also going to adopt the risk control mechanism according to the State Council's requirement on the procedures of prevention and control of COVID-19. We have added and circled out the Shijiazhuang village and also the Liujia village of Gaocheng District as the medium risk region. And we also organized different manpowers to fully close up the Gaocheng District according to the distributions of COVID-19 pandemic after reported to the provincial CDC. We have also circulated the Shijiazhuang village in Gaocheng District as the high-risk region. And at that village, we have adopted the strictest measures. Second, we have tried all out to save all the different patients. We are trying to make sure that all the confirmed cases and asymptomatic cases has been sent into the city hospital to receive a timely treatment. We organized 47 different expert teams to rescue the confirmed cases. Currently, all the patient is in a stable status. Thirdly, we have confirmed the PCR testing. On the 3rd of January, after conducting the PCR testing for the 53,000 of the Gaocheng district, we have also extended the PCR testing to 6 villages in the Gaocheng district. And we have also tested Xinle City, Zhengji County, and Wuji County. alongside Gaocheng District. Tomorrow, for the Gaocheng District, we are also going to finish up the testings. We should make sure that all the people who are confirmed with COVID-19 should be taken in. At the same time, tomorrow, we are also going to carry out a campaign of PCR testing across the Shijiazhuang City. We are going to make sure that early detection, early reporting, early isolation, and early treatment is going to be provided. Fourthly, we are also going to start the epidemiological research. We have organized medical workers and also the place to start the epidemiological research. Currently, we have finished the epidemiological research covering 180,000 people in the 4 counties alongside Gaocheng District. Fifthly, we are also going to build up a joint mechanism for prevention and control of COVID-19 in Gaocheng District. We are going to close up all the shopping malls, hospitals, among other different public areas for Gaocheng District. We are also going to avoid the gather up and cluster up of the population. We are going to supply all the life-related necessities and medicines to make sure that all the people who are quarantined at their home and their life-related demand is going to be met up. We are also going to arrange the people who have returned to Shijiazhuang, open up the fever clinics, and better regulate the process for fever clinics. Sixthly, we are also going to release the information according to the PCR testing result. We are also going to report to the press about the latest update. And we have the determinations to make all the information transparent, to make sure that all the information is going to be delivered in a timely manner. Moving forward, our city is also going to concern about people's life, and we are also going to make all-out effort to rescue people, and we are also going to regulate the prevention and control measures in our city. We are also going to organize the force for testing, for the medical workers, and also for the epidemiological research. We are also going to do a detailed work to prevent inbound transmissions for the COVID-19 pandemic. We are determined and we are able to safeguard the life and prosperity of our people. That is my report. Thank you. Now the floor is open for questions. Please identify your affiliations before the questions. From CMG. My question is directed to Yuan Lihua. So we all know that the COVID-19, it has become a very strict scenario in Gaocheng District. What kind of measures is the Gaocheng District uptake to tackle the COVID-19? Thank you very much for your question. Since the 8 p.m. of the 2nd of January, when we found the first confirmed cases, the municipal government and also the district government has really emphasized about that. We have also entered into a wartime status. First, we have worked hard on the quarantining areas of Xiaogezhuang village and also the Fengjia village. At that night, we conducted an all-night PCR testing to support the villagers. By now, we have used 23 quarantining areas, and we have also built up a dynamic mechanism. Second, we have also conducted all-personnel PCR testing. Under the municipal government support, today we have coordinated 1,500 different medical workers and also 1,000 policemen and also 2,300 CPC party members to work household by household in the 6th district of Gaocheng district. And tomorrow we are going to finish the testing at the southern part of Shijiazhuang to make sure all the district is going to be covered. Thirdly, we have conducted a yearly epidemiological research. We have also going to started the asymptomatic patient and also confirmed patients epidemiological research. And we are also going to figure out the roots of this time's outbreak of the pandemic. Currently, under the support of CDC and also under the support of the National Health Commission, we are also going to start the effort. We want to thank the media's support and concern for Gaocheng district. We also want to thank the medical workers for their hard effort. And we also want to thank the general public for their support and understanding. Thank you very much. With Xinhua News Agency. I also have a question for the directors of CDC. So we actually concerned that for this outbreak of COVID-19, what is the latest update of the epidemiological research? What is the root cause of this time's outbreak? Can you give us an update about that? Thank you. Director Wu, please. Thank you very much for your question. For this wave of unexpected COVID-19 outbreak, I share the same concern with all of you. CDC has undertaken the rules of epidemiological research in the pandemic, and we are also work on the PCR testing and also the sterilization. So for this short outbreak of the COVID-19 with such a huge number of the cases, it has brought us so many challenges. We are going to strengthen our workforce by working together with the provincial government, city government, and also district government. We have also invited 80 different professional testers from other provinces to support us. Second, we have also conducted the PCR testing, and we are also working together with the other different technological departments to identify the route for spreading. Thirdly, we are also going to intensify the PCR testing, and this is also going to help us to identify the sensitivity for the samples. Fourthly, we are also going to give the guidelines to the sterilization process to better sterilize the personnel, and we are also going to invite the experts to conduct the tour about the sterilization process to point it out where we are not qualified as a sterilizer. So I believe the outbreak of these times waves of the COVID-19 is a sudden outbreak, and we are going to make all out effort to tackle it. Thank you. I'm with Shijiazhuang Daily. For what is the latest update of the all personnel PCR testing in the Gaocheng district? Thank you. Thank you very much for your concern after the outbreak of COVID-19. Under the emphasis and concerns of the provincial government and the city government, other different provinces has dispatched around 1,000 different medical workers to work together with the local medical workers to conduct all-rounded PCR testing. We are going to finish the PCR testing tomorrow in our district. Thank you very much for your questions. Now we concluded the Q&A session. Thank you very much for your concern and support. That concludes today's press conference. Thank you.
再次感谢各位记者朋友对今天疫情防控工作的关心、关注和支持。